Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. This is question 48 of the WAEC 2017, and the question goes this. A circular pond of radius 4 meter has a part of width 2.5 meter around it. Find correct to two decimal places the area of the part. So we're talking of something like this. That is the first circle. That's a pond. Then we're told that there is a part round it. Okay, the radius of the pond is what? 4 meters, and the width of the part is 2.5 meters. Okay, so to calculate the area of the part here, we need to subtract the inner circle from the bigger circle. So that is to say, we will subtract the area of the smaller circle from the bigger circle. Okay, good. So let us substitute the values for pi. First of all, we can see that pi is common, so we'll be left with r squared minus r squared. That is the bigger r square. Okay, good. Then next is to impute the value. The bigger r is the addition of the radius and this width, which is 6.5. So we have 6.5 square minus 4 square, okay, for the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, so now if we use the calculator to find the square of 6.5, we will have 42.25 minus the square of 4, which is 16, and if we go ahead to subtract, okay, 16 from these, we will have 26.25. all right, so now remember we're given the pi as 22/7, so we're going to multiply that with 26.25, and finally we are going to arrive at the answer 82.5 meter square by the time you punch this into your calculator. So this is the final answer. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.